This is a tour of our IVF department wherein we have all the modern gadgets which are required, including the sonography machine. The 4-dimensional sonography machine is also with us to detect the various anomalies in the babies and also, if possible, antenatally to correct them. So we have in a process of developing fetal medicine and have an antenatal interventions if possible in the babies to correct the anomalies which are very much correctable so that the fetus is salvaged, which also has a facility of in vitro fertilization, that is the assisted reproduction techniques, and also fetal medicine. We have all the latest gadgets to support this. Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeep Hatwar. I am a pediatric laparoscopic surgeon and my job is to correct the congenital defects in the babies who are born with it. For a surgeon, the knowledge of anatomy is very important, but for a pediatric surgeon, the knowledge of embryology is also extremely important, because it is extremely important to know that how these birth defects are formed during organogenesis. Now, during organogenesis, there are several events that takes place, and this sequence of events, if are interrupted somewhere in the process of growth, then it will result in the development of a birth defect. Now, as a pediatric surgeon, I have to not only correct the anatomically, but also the function of the organ should also be restored to near normal. And for this, the sound knowledge of anatomy, physiology, as well as embryology is extremely important. Now, we all know that in textbooks, whatever it may be, the embryology textbook or whatever textbook, diagrams are 2-dimensional, and it is very hard to imagine a 3-dimensional view from a 2-dimensional diagram. Embryology is a very intricate and complicated topic. To understand embryology, we need to have a 3-dimensional imagination. So, in order to make embryology easy, in my channel, Human Embryology Made Easy, what I have done is I have made several models of the clay and molded them, folded them like what happens in the human embryo. Then I have used various photo editing softwares as well as video editing softwares, compiled these models into this photo editing and video editing softwares to make a small animation clip, and that will help us greatly to understand how does the development of embryo takes place, and to make the people more and more aware of the human embryo development. I have made this effort. If you like this effort, if you like these videos, if you like my models, if you like my attempt, if you like my dedication, please share to my channel, like my videos, and please comment in the comment box.